Y'all, so I saw a belly dancing show.
طب وحياة المحبة ما دام جنبي خلاص خلي الطلة دي لا ده.
And once upon a time, I was trying to like lose weight, and so I like would do belly dancing classes, and I would do Zumba and stuff. Why I thought I was a belly dancer, and I was like, boom, 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 boom. Like the way she was just like belly dancing is so moving your hands with it, like your whole body is just ooh. And then you isolate something. Then you can move your shoulders with it. Woo! Belly dancing is such a good workout, y'all. And then like your core muscles be feeling it. Like belly dancing, it look easy. It is not easy at all. Just like people say strippers, oh, you just strip. No, like dancers, strippers, climbing that pole, you gotta have crazy good upper body strength. Crazy good upper body strength. Dancing is like a whole fitness, y'all. You can't just y'all know when Armania's like dun 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 touch dun 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 touch dun 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 touch. Oh baby, by the way, boom 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 touch dun, 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 touch. I should have been a dancer. That's my part. I'm about to go to dance school. Sierra, doom 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 They got their seven cooking. They got them feelings looking, wishing, thinking. That's when I say, oh, what for? Shorty can't handle it. Sierra got that fire like, oh. Round here we getting low. We get it crunk up on the floor. Like, oh. Singing, yeah, it ain't my calling. But I might could do a little dancing, y'all. I just might go to dance school. I'm gonna insert them belly dancing clips in my safari desert video where they was belly dancing. Y'all, crazy. Beautiful, most amazing thing I've ever saw in my life. And I done saw some things in my life. Bye, Glam Crew. I'm getting dressed. I'm about to hit the aquarium. So I'll talk to y'all later. And I might go shopping. I haven't made up my mind. I said I was trying to be on a budget, y'all. But every time I say, hey, I'm on the budget just goes out the window. I'm on the budget, but the budget goes out the window. Yeah. So remember this outfit and one of my try-on hauls, y'all? I can't breathe. I ripped the armpit, so I did not get a chance to sew it up. because planning this trip was last minute. I planned everything within 2 weeks or less. 2 weeks or less. So, what was I about to say? Yeah, I didn't have time to stitch my arm, my underarm. Not this, y'all. This got a zipper. But my underarm, it's just a tiny little, I zipped my skin, baby. Oh, gosh. See, I think this why I don't got no man right now, because I'm too goofy. And I just like to record everything and have fun and look back and have memories. What man about to be sitting in here watching me act like Sierra and the belly dancer, and like I'm dramatic, like I'm extra. This is not for YouTube. This is me. So if you can deal with that, you got a little bit of money, because we need some money so we can travel, baby. Hit me up and be serious, because we can be in Dubai together, you, me. We can be in Dubai, Thailand, Africa, Mexico, Peru. Yeah, we can be there together by this summer if you act right. Because this is how I act. So if you can deal with this, all right. Let's see. Where's my jelly rolls at so I don't zip up no more jelly? I don't want to zip up no more jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this. Cause my body too bootylicious for you, babe. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get a man. That's fine. I got my son. I might get a dog. My next trip, y'all, me and my niece and nephew going. I would say I am kidnapping my brother's kids, but like they're grown. They're grown. And the other ones, the younger ones, oh yeah. Their mothers would definitely let me take their kids. I love that I have a good bond with them. We may not talk often, but I love my babies. Auntie love y'all. Auntie love each and every one of y'all. And as soon as I get some more money, I'm taking all of y'all. Now, my oldest niece and nephew, they gotta pay their flight. They in college. They old enough. They can pay their flight. I'm gonna show them how to book a budget flight, which is still gonna be good, because Delta had a flight to where we going for like $400, which is a good price for Delta. And then I told them I would book the Airbnb. And I don't know, depending on what my pockets is looking like next month, I might well, I know I'm gonna pay for one excursion. One of the excursions we do, I'm gonna pay for it. I'm gonna pay for the Airbnb. I don't know if I can pay for all the food. I don't know, but I'm gonna like at least take them somewhere nice. Let them get like a good meal on me. And yeah, but y'all know the most expensive thing be food if you eat a lot. Sometimes flight and where you gonna stay. That accommodation be high. Especially the more people you got, it's gonna be expensive. But we gonna see. I told them I'm gonna take care of where we stay at. They just gotta get their flights. I can't wait to be like that super rich auntie. I mean, even now, I just gotta work a little harder. I just wanna be like that auntie. If you need a thing, you call me. If you need a place to stay, if you need help buying books for school, your car insurance, or anything, call me. Call me. I'm not even gonna ask no questions, especially with my nieces and nephews, because they're good children. Like, their parents are really good. They come from like really good homes. Not like super good, but you know, as far as you know, not being in the streets, selling drugs, smoking drugs, always out hanging with the wrong crowd, just being sloppy and messy, cursing. They're the opposite of that. They're good kids. So those type of children deserve anything and everything they need. Like, I'm not even gonna ask no questions. Not even gonna ask. But y'all, I'm dressed. Here go my outfit. Y'all already saw this outfit, but I'm dressed. I'm about to head to the mall and swipe my credit card because that's just what I'm doing. And that's my business. And that's my business. Y'all, I got this oil. So I got this oil. This is like a unisex, warm, woody, vanilla type. I might give this to my nephew. I don't know yet. And then I love how they put this in this cute little bottle. This is another Miss Dubai. Because I love this Miss Dubai. But this is like no alcohol, 100% concentrated oil with the fragrance. So it's pretty strong. And I got a magnet. But this Miss Dubai, y'all, this smells so amazing. So with the oil, I put the oil on like my pressure points here and back of my leg. Yo! Spray my hair. I don't know if I'm supposed to do all that. And I love that. I can spray. I'm not coughing and choking. So this is smooth. I don't know what kind of perfume I've been in love with in the US, but I don't want nothing from the US no more. I don't want no Valentino, and I love that Valentino. It's gonna be this Dubai stuff. Hi baby, welcome to Dubai. Okay. Now this outfit already a little tight. Let me chill out before I even split this and have to get it back. I forgot about my burger. The wonderful thing about being in the Airbnb, you got like a little kitchen. This is my camel burger from earlier, y'all. I didn't finish it. I barely can finish a meal nowadays, so I got half of it, the other half to eat now. And this is why my Dubai trip has been not that expensive. Like, if you're a person that is constantly eating and you don't walk, you like to catch Uber and private tours, and you gotta be in Uber Black, Uber XL, but you can't travel with me unless you funding it. Because I be walking places. Like right now, I'm about to walk to the aquarium in Dubai Mall. Because baby, it's only a 12-minute walk. Well, that's what the Airbnb host said. I think Google said like 16 minutes, but it's not far. So, and it's a big mall. You already got to walk in the mall. But yeah, I don't know if this outfit gonna make it. We're gonna try. I got my comfortable Croc shoes. Yeah, we gonna see what it do. But yeah, I'm gonna try my burger, try and eat some more, because I know food in the airports or food in the mall is usually more expensive. But my burger meal was like 30 US. My camel. Good Lord blessed us when he gave us camel. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. It's good, y'all. So, I'm gonna take a few bites of this, pack my water up, and walk to the mall. Dubai is pretty safe, but when I'm out walking and vlogging in the streets, I just be getting looks, and I don't think I'm gonna do that. I just don't want no extra drama. And I'm going to catch Uber back because I think I want to make a purchase. I think so. Something I've been wanting for a while. Y'all remember that camel I was talking to the other day? He didn't want me to get on him. I saw all this ass. I was like, this is a big one. No, ma'am. But I did say I wanted to eat him, so he might have felt some type of way. However, he tasting good. His cousins is delicious. By Lamb Crew.